Hello, dear students. This is Asha Kumari, and I'm a PGT teacher with Vidya Bharati Institutions. I have made a video on the best Christmas present in the world of the book Honey Dew, Class 8 NCRT. So, all the question answers are here in this video. So, let's check out further. Okay, so we are in page number 10. Here, the comprehension's first question is asking, what did the author find in a junk shop? The answer is, the author found a 19th century old roll top desk made up of oak tree. The desk was in a bad condition and needs maintenance. The second question is asking, actually second question has two questions, so we will take one by one. So in the first question is, what did he find in a secret drawer? So the answer is, the author found a small black tin box in the secret drawer, a lined note paper cello-taped into it and written, Jim's last letter received on January 25th, 1915 and to be buried with me when the time comes. And the second question is, who do you think put it in there? So the answer is, I think Mrs. Jim Macpherson put it in there. Now we are in page number 14. So the first comprehension question is, who had written the letter, to whom and when? And the answer is, Mr. Jim Macpherson had written the letter to his wife Connie on December 26, 1914. Question number 2 has two questions. So the first question is, why was the letter written? So the answer is, Mr. Jim has written the letter because a wonderful thing happened on the Christmas Eve. Second question is, what was the wonderful thing that happened? So the answer is, the wonderful thing that happened was that in middle of the war, on no man's land, warring soldiers of British and German company were making peace with food, drinks and football games, and also they have exchanged carols with them at the night. The third question asking, what job did Hans Wolf and Jim Macpherson have when they were not soldiers? So the answer is, Hans Wolf was a cello player in the orchestra and Jim Macpherson was a school teacher when they were not soldiers. The fourth question is asking, had Hans Wolf ever been to Dorset? So the answer is no. Hans Wolf had never been to Dorset. The second question is, why did he says he knew it? So the answer is, he said he knew all about it from his school and English reading books. Question 5 has two questions. First question is, do you think Jim Macpherson came back from the war? Answer is no. It seems Jim Macpherson did not come back from the war. Second question, how do you know this? So the answer is, in the cello taped lined note paper. So I missed it, lined note paper. You write it here, okay? In the cello tape lined note paper, it was written that the letter was Jim's last letter, and in the First World War, German won over the British soldiers. So this evidence shown the demise of Jim in the war. Now we are in page number 15. So the first comprehension question is, why did the author go to Bridport? The answer is, the author go to Bridport to meet Mrs. Jim Macpherson to give her the letter back. Second question asking, how old was Mrs. Macpherson now? So the answer is, Mrs. Macpherson was now of 101 years old. Second question, where was she? So the answer is, she was in a nursing home, Burlington House on the Dorchester Road on the other side of the town. Now we are in page number 16. So first comprehension question is, who did Connie Macpherson think her visitor was? So the answer is, Connie MacPherson thought her visitor was her husband, Jim MacPherson. The second question asking which sentence in the text shows that the visitor did not try to hide his identity. So the answer is the sentence was I explained about the desk, about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening. This line says the visitor did not try to hide his identity. Now we came into the exercise questions of page number 16. So the first question is asking for how long do you think Connie had kept Jim's letter? Give reason for your answer. So the answer is I think Connie had kept Jim's letter till her last breath. This is because she told that she often read Jim's letter to feel his presence. Second question asking why do you think the desk had been sold? The answer is Connie's home caught fire and that half burned desk was of no much use, so it had been sold to a junk shop. Second question is when? So the answer is I think after the fire when she shifted to a nursing home, then that had been sold. Third question asking why do Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts? So the answer is Jim and Hans thought that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts because it will not lead to someone's death. Second question, do you agree? So the answer is yes, I agree with it since wars made more violence only instead of peace. So we should go for the games or sports. Question number 4 asking do you think the shoulders of the two armies are like each other or different from each other? So the answer is yes, I think the two shoulders of the two armies are like each other. Second question find evidence from the story to support your answer. So the answer is the evidences from the story are they celebrated Christmas together, both were agreed that sports are far better than war to resolve conflicts. They spent time together with food, drinks, and exchanged carols in the hope to unite their families again. Fifth question mention the various ways in which the British and the German soldiers become friends. So the answer is the various ways in which the British and German soldiers become friends are they laughed, enjoyed their companies, they shared each other's food and drinks, cheered for the football game, and exchanged carols at night with the hope to unite with their families again. Second question find things in common at Christmas. So the answer is the common things at Christmas was both the troops like Christmas Eve, food, drinks, sports, carols, and both wants peace instead of war. Sixth question is what is Connie's Christmas present? So the answer is here students there will be Connie. By mistake I have written Connie's. So you write Connie misunderstood the writer as her husband Jim and thought he was her Christmas present. Second question why is it the best Christmas present in the world? Answer is it was the best Christmas present in the world because she loved her husband a lot and in previous letter it was written that Jim would come in Christmas Eve and she misunderstood that he has kept his promise and came back home. So she was very happy at that eve. Now the seventh question. Do you think the title of the story is suitable for it? So the answer is yes, I think it is a suitable title. Since Christmas Eve is a celebration of peace and harmony, and at the middle of the war, both the German and British soldiers peacefully spent the eve, and when the writer came to visit Mrs. Jim, that was also the Christmas Eve. When Mrs. Jim got her best gift ever because she misunderstood the writer as her husband. Second question can you think of any other titles? So the answer is I think the other title could be A Much Awaited Wish Come True or Christmas Eve Brought Most Precious Gift. Okay, so dear students, from this we have completed all the question answers, the comprehensions, and the exercise question answers of this chapter, The Best Christmas in the World, of the book Honeydew NCERT. So I hope you all will understand these questions, and if in any questions you have some doubts, then feel free to write in the comment box. And all the best for your further studies. Stay safe and keep growing.